CCB-25 is a cable comb. What it does is it organizes cables that are in a bundle, allowing you to tie them up nice and tight or create branches very easily so that your whole cable run is really nice and neat. The cable comb consists of two parts, a hub and an outer ring. The hub has 15 slots along the way, all along the outer part here. Some are short, some are long, some are medium in size, but there's 15 of them. And this allows you to put cables wherever you need. You'll see when I do it, I'm going to create a branch going left and right off the table here, and you'll see what I mean by that, okay? The product itself is made from a very rugged nylon material that's also ultra slick. Has a very, very low coefficient of friction. So what's all that about? Well, we don't want the tool to impede pulling and combing through the cables, so you use the slickest material possible. It also has the outer ring here, has a nice recessed area allowing you to grab it and pull after you set the cables up into the comb. It's really, really comfortable, allows you to get good grip and allows you to pull really good. So I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to put some cables in the tool here. So I'm going to put some just in various slots. If you're really well organized, you'd have some of these cables already marked and you would know which one you want to go in which direction. All you do then is take the ring, slide it over. You can see it snaps in place there, and then all I'm going to do is just start pulling. You can just keep going and putting your cable ties on the cable, and there you go. So this is the CCB-25 cable comb. This was just one small example. I happen to have a small bundle of cables set up here for the demo, but this will hold up to 40 cables of Cat 5 and Cat 6. All the cables, as long as they're within 1/4 of an inch, these slots are 1/4 of an inch wide, so the cable has to be slightly smaller than that in order to fit in. But as long as the cable is that, most Cat 5, Cat 6 is, you should easily be able to do 40 cables. So that's the cable comb.